Machine parts need to be changed after long-term use. Which do you choose? Imitation parts or genuine parts? You have other choices. ecoY parts. We recommend these parts as another choice. Economy. We successfully reduced running costs. Toughness. These are the parts that are useful in any work field. Let me introduce ecoY parts, which are economical and tough. Sprocket. This is the gear part to transfer the power of the hydraulic motor to the crawler. Track roller. This is the part which supports the smooth rotation of the crawler. Carrier roller. This is the part to assist the tension of crawler and rotation smoothly. Idler. This part keeps the tension of crawler constant. Steel shoe. This part is suited for use on uneven ground, such as at a quarry or a metal-littered place. The third choice, which has high durability, that is ecoY. Let's have a look at the difference between ecoY and imitation parts. We improved the abrasion resistance by carefully tempering the tip. There are blowholes which are the cause of the damage. We improved the abrasion resistance by deeply tempering the tip of the flange. It has high abrasion resistance and high density. Imitation parts have slight tempering and a heterogeneous metal structure. Both contact surfaces and sliding parts have improved wear resistance by tempering. Imitation parts have slight tempering and a heterogeneous metal structure. ecoY rubber pad. It has a comfortable operation without damaging road surfaces. ecoY rubber track. Endless wire structure prevents tear from the wire joint. ecoY bucket tooth. We pursued abrasion resistance so that you can use it in any field. Metal structure of ecoY bucket tooth has high density. On the other hand, market products have heterogeneous metal structures. We are planning to add various types of ecoY bucket tooth in the future. ecoY tire chain. It is a tire slip prevention part for the wheel loader to promote safety during snow removal work. ecoY, recommended by Yanmar Construction Equipment for the manufacture of the machine. Its quality gains global recognition.
Yanmar,